I am Poppy. Today let's learn the names of different vehicles, starting with each English alphabet. Vehicles Alphabets Part 3. S. S. S for scooter. Scooter. T. T. T for truck. Truck. U. U. U for unicycle. Unicycle. V. V. V for van. Van. W. W. W for wagon. Wagon. X. X. X for Xmas sleigh. Xmas sleigh. Y. Y. Y for yacht. Yacht. And lastly, Z. Z. Z for zeppelin. Zeppelin. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different vehicles. And for more such fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.